All right, YouTubes. Yep, that's the club. The Vangina rolls with the club, old school. But, so it's Sunday morning. U.S. Hockey won the gold medal. I got the dog out for a walk, and I just got a service call for a walk-in cooler. They said the fans aren't running inside the cooler. And the guy was tripping out. So I guess they do a big brunch thing on Sundays. See what time it is here. Let's fire up the van. See what time it is. Oh, it's not that early at all. 10 o'clock. Just leaving the house. We got lucky I was home. I was gonna go get the bike out. I was actually waiting for it to warm up. It's because it was chilly this morning. Here we go. I got a service call instead, so let's go make a buck. But yeah, we'll try and see what's wrong with this cooler. So no fans, no evaporator fans running, and it's a refrigerator, so this should be interesting. And I don't know if it has one fan or two fans or how big it is. It's supposed to be in the kitchen. Let's get up there. I'll get the time lapse going. We'll make an old school video where I used to do all the time lapses on the drives. We'll get that going here. And see if we can figure out this cooler. All right, let's see what shape old Tippins is in. Not too bad, Mr. Tippins. Respectable on a Sunday morning. Very nice, very nice. It's time to go to church, Mr. Tippins. The Church of Refrigeration. Put some gloves on and grab Tippy and we'll go in there. All right, here's our coil. We got no fans. I do have a switch back here. So let's see. I want to see where the thermostat is for this thing. Can't tell if that's making or not. But yeah, there's our thermostat in the back. So I'm wondering if the power's off to this thing. Would be my best bet. T1 or T2. Oh yeah. Let me get my meter. Okay, so there's no power at the fans, so we're gonna check breakers and see what we got. I know there's a couple panels right here, and then two on that side. Kitchen receptacles, freezer, ice cream receptacles, bar receptacles, bar fans. All right, here we go. Walk-in fans. I don't know which walk-in. They got a lot of walk-ins here. your fridge. Some more walk-ins. Walk-ins, fans. Fans, cooler. Oh, right here. AC's tripped. See that one? That one's a tripper. We'll go over to these two panels. See if anything's dropped back around here. Let's see what we got over here. Lights and fans walking. Weird, nothing's looking tripped. Let's go we'll go and check that that toggle switch that's up in the cooler. See if there's power to the toggle switch. We'll take a look. All right, we're back to running. So we had lights, no fans, but at the panels they were missing a leg. Now we're on generator. There was actually a brownout in town, and the panels coming in for the 208 was missing a leg. So they're running on the generator. Now everything's working. Nothing. There was actually nothing for me to do on this one. Pretty cool. Like, subscribe. See you on the next one. Police. It's getting so bad. The aliens are coming. They'll tell you UFOs are real, but we are not bumming. They keep lying to you. Lying to you. To you. 4 years they've sprayed you with chemtrails. They want you eating bugs. Battleships are rolling. Another war is coming. They keep lying to you.